Students, today I will discuss with you a summary of the poem No Men Are Foreign. So, in this poem, the poet reminds us that under all different races, people belonging to different countries are physically the same. The land on which they live and which they are buried is the same for everyone. They enjoy the same sunshine, they breathe the same air, drink the same water, they enjoy prosperity in peace and suffer in times of disturbance and war. So he's saying that people belonging to other countries also sharing the same fate as we do, like us, they have to work to earn their livelihood. Their fate is just like ours. Similarly, they wake and sleep like us. They also won over by love as we are all in similar circumstances. In fact, we can easily recognize the bonds that unite all human beings on the earth. So he's saying that we should not hate the people who belong to another country, caste, religion, and if we hate others, so then we will also have to get hate. When we wage war against others, we harm ourselves equally. We pollute our earth and we smoke and the dust that is caused by the weapons that we use for the war to have victory in our life, then this war is contaminating the air and it's very hard to breathe for us, and we are getting suffered from the various kinds of the diseases which are uncurable, and the people have to refrain from treating others as aliens. So we all are bound in the spirit of universal brotherhood, so we must live with peace, love and care of each other. So I think if we are residing on the different countries, but we are sharing the same thing, like we all are having the same blood, so we should not do the discrimination on these things.